Alright, engine start checklist.
Okay.
Gear pins.
Removed.
All doors.
Closed.
Passengers.
Briefed.
Safety belts.
Secure left.
Secure right. Thrust levers.
Idle.
Engine run switches.
To run.
Parking brakes.
Set.
Probe. Box.
That's all aircraft.
Right side clear.
this information, kilo now current.
And I'll listen to Kilo.
אתה רוצה פלייט דירקטור כזה או שאתה...
אני אשנה את זה, כן.
Thousand scattered.
כן, left.
Temperature 30, 2.26. Altimeter 29er. Remarks. VCSH southeast. ILS and visual approach is runway 10 in use. Departing runway 10. Notice to air mission. Runway 8 closed. Hotel 3 intersection closed. Taxiway Alpha closed between Taxiway Charlie and Taxiway Sierra. TAC and out of service. Bird activity vicinity airport. All runways and twist wet. Read all runway hold short instructions. For CPTLC use Kilo Uniform Sierra Alpha. Apron 2 and apron. 3 pushbacks. Start up and unhook at intermediate holding position marking. Advise on initial contact. You have information Kilo. Luis Munoz Marine International Airport ATIS information Kilo 1256 Zulu. Wind 100 at 9er. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 2,600, 3,400 scattered, 6,000 scattered. Temperature 30, 2.26, altimeter 29er.
Okay, triple niner altimeter. רוח 10090.
Okay.
Direct headwind. Ready for before taxi checklist?
Affirmative.
Fuel damper is on. Wing anti-ice. Checked. Wing flaps 10.
Ice 310.
Gas lock.
Remote.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Flight spoilers.
Checked.
Down spoilers.
Checked.
Nose steering.
Is on.
Smoke belts are on. We have blockout time and fuel. Taxi clearance.
Okay.
Com 1, ground. San Juan ground. Good morning, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo. Jet Aviation taxi. We have Kilo.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, San Juan ground. Runway 10. Taxi via Sierra 6 Sierra Bravo.
10 via Sierra 6 Sierra Bravo 150 Mike Bravo.
Sierra 6, אז זה כאילו בעצם ללכת...
כן, right turn ומיד left turn.
כן. אוקיי, clear right.
Clear right.
אוקיי, clear left. אוקיי, Sierra 6 זה טיפה ימינה. אז באמת משפצים את המסלול.
Okay, chart is not relevant when the joystick is not working.
Acro 600, San Juan clearance, say aircraft type.
Aircraft type.
Acro 600, clear the B file and via the B free, squawk 4666. Read that correct.
הוא אמר סיירה...
Sierra Bravo. So,
אוקיי.
Ground, Civil 0115, it's off Hotel 4, taxi back to our ramp, please. Silver 0115, ground taxi via Hotel Lima November. Hotel Lima November, Silver 0115. Hands on ground, night car, 600, apron 5 with the information ready to taxi.
המטוס הזה, בלי מים מאוד נעימה. Go brakes.
My brakes.
410, night car, go 600. On ground,
Okay. Working your brakes.
My brakes.
Taxi. Sierra 143,
taxi
runway
for the
10,
checklist.
taxi via November 1,
affirmative.
Sierra Bravo.
brakes, nose wheel steering.
Runway 10,
Check.
taxi via November
Fast reversals.
1, Sierra
Check.
Bravo.
Flight instruments. As you have 2 9er 3 times. Speeds are posted 136, 5,000 initial. LNAV is armed. And everything looks good. Standby, and your side looks good as well.
בוא נראה, זה הולך קצת שמאלה כזה.
כן, עקוב אחרי הקו. Transponder 7422, radar terrain set, checked, fuel quantity 10,800, balance, landing with 4,300. Anti-ice is working, we checked that on the previous flight, and it's off. Engine instruments on the green, 88.6. Nav equipment, FMS2, FMS1, and takeoff data and briefing, we went over that already.
אוקיי. אני רואה שגם לאמריקאים העשירים עדיין יש בואינג 707.
כן, עם מנועים משודרגים, אבל אביוניקה משודרגת, וזה לא אותו מטוס בכלל.
בארץ עדיין המנועים הישנים.
כן, הכל זה... חוץ מגלובוס אין שם כלום.
אבא שלי עשה מילואים בחיל האוויר עד גיל 56 על
הרם.
707, כן. תאר לך שהוא היה טייס פעיל במלחמת העצמאות ואת כל המלחמות עד מלחמת לבנון הראשונה, כולל 6 מלחמות הוא היה טייס פעיל.
לך קצת.
כן.
טקסיווי הבא. Postmoder?
Yeah. Bravo.
Hey, tower?
כן.
Tower 19-4 set on departure. Tower, good morning, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, holding short 10 at Bravo. We are ready to go.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, San Juan Tower. Wind 110 at 12, runway 10 at Hotel 1, clear for takeoff.
10, Hotel 1, clear for takeoff, 150 Mike Bravo. Okay, lineup checks, bulbs on, lights.
אתה שומע גם איזה רעש כזה על הרדיו מספר 1?
לא משהו חריג.
לא. זה מין...
לא, בכלל לא. So, parking brakes released, air conditioner bleeds, APU set, fine and clear. Probes are on, aircraft lights are on, CAS is boxed, runway heading is confirmed 10. Lineup checks complete.
Yeah. The HF.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
your controls.
My controls. Thrust set.
Thrust set.
And Tower, K143 is ready at Hotel 1.
Airspeed rising.
Okay,
80 knots.
143,
Checked.
Roger, Sun 1 Tower, caution with turbulence, limited at 0905. Runway 10 at Hotel 1, clear for takeoff.
B1.
Okay, K143,
Rotate.
takeoff, runway 10, heading to 0905.
Separate.
Gear up.
Flash 200.
Okay.
LNF green.
Thank you.
400 feet.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. פנייה שמאלה.
Okay.
Challenger 0, Mike Bravo, contact departure.
Over to departure, good day, 0 Mike Bravo.
Solid Tower, night, correct, Gil 600, route.
24, I'm showing an area of heavy precipitation at about 10 o'clock, 8 miles. The area is 8 miles in diameter, tops and bases unknown. When able, proceed direct Malco.
Copy that. Be direct Malco and just another mile or two here, sure, 724. Copy that.
And departure, good morning, Challenger November 150 Mike Bravo, out of 2,500, climbing 5,000.
Challenger 150, Mike Bravo, stand departure, radar contact, good morning, climb maintain 10,000, leaving 4,000, clear direct to Oconee.
Climb 10,000, leaving 4,000, direct Coney, 0 Mike Bravo.
Okay, shaft
So
flex
150 Mike
250.
Bravo, I'm showing an area of heavy precipitation at about
Okay,
11
that's
o'clock and 9 miles. The area is 1 mile in diameter, tops and bases are unknown. Right or left deviations are approved in Oconee when able.
Roger, we are heading direct to Coney. Looks like we won't need any deviation right now. We'll keep you informed. Thanks.
Copy that.
Okay, fletch 250.
That's 250.
After takeoff
143,
checklist.
sound departure, radar contact, good morning, passing Louisiana Mouth, resume navigation. Airshare 724 is 9 miles from Malco, across Malco at or above 2,300, cleared for the straight in RNAV, runway 9 approach.
Cross Malco at above 2,300, cleared, straight in, RNAV, runway 9, Airshare 724.
Okay.
70-129, San approach, good morning, sir, expect exit for the visual approach, runway 10.
Nose landing.
Tower 150 Mike Bravo, contact San Juan Center on 134.3, good flight.
134.3, good day, 0 Mike Bravo.
And cross jets at maintain 11,000. The San Juan, St. Thomas altimeter 29907.
Cross jets out of maintain 11,000, 29907, 530.
Center, this is Challenger November 150 Mike Bravo, out of 9,300, climbing 10,000.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, contact San Juan Center 124.22.
12422, good day, 10 Mike Bravo.
JetBlue 16.
To maintain 1,000, 250 knots, San Juan altimeter 3000. Bino 1,250, JetBlue 250 there.
Confirm.
Bak tavir bleeding. Tavir bleeding mark.
San Juan Center, good morning, Challenger November 150 Mike Bravo, 10,000.
Aircraft calling San Juan approach, go ahead. Anchorage, aircraft calling San Juan Center, go ahead.
This is Challenger November 150 Mike Bravo, 10,000.
שומעים אותך הכל לזה.
From Challenger November 150 Mike Bravo, no joy on 12422.
You can try them on 135.7 November 150 Mike Bravo, 135.7 if no joy on 124.22.
Roger, we'll try them, thank you. San Juan Center, good morning, Challenger, November 150, Mike Bravo, 10,000.
And number 150, Mike Bravo, San Juan Center, good morning, climb maintain, flight level 200.
Climb maintain 200, 10, Mike Bravo.
Okay, confirm.
Confirmed. Left side of 10,000 checklist.
Okay, so we go after takeoff, left right hydraulic switch in auto, anti-ice panel not required, CAS unboxed, thrust to climb, visualization, urban altitude, climbing slowly, smoking seatbelt side, aim, offset climate,
Rolling.
APU and bleeds off and set. Okay. 10,000 checks complete.
Okay. Autopilot on.
Autopilot.
Here.